Let's start the key skills tutorial. I'm just going to name my project to key skills. I didn't import anything, so I have no assets at the moment. First thing I'm going to do is change my layout to 2x3. This will make sense later on when we're playing around with the X, Y, Z to see both the scene and the game view at the same time. If your game view looks like this, I think it's a bug. You just have to drag that scale back down to the bottom if it was 2 times or 1 times. First thing we need is a platform. Instead of a terrain, we're just going to go straight up here and put in a cube. I'm going to use a cube as our platform. We are going to use the transform over here tool to position it to 0, 0, 0 if yours isn't already. We're not going to rotate it. We're going to scale it though to 40 by 40, not high. We're going to set it by 1 block or 1 measurement of this scale high and 40 by 40 wide. So if we zoom out now on the scene view, this is what you should have. For the scene view, we are going to view it from the top. So I'm going to go Y. I'm just going to click. So it's like a top-down view. We're going to move the camera, the main camera, which is there. I'm going to move that out on the Z axis, and you'll see on the game view it moving. We're going to move that up. So on the Y axis, we're going to go about 17, and then we're going to rotate this maybe to about 17 also. I might move this back a little bit further too, so maybe we'll go 35 or even a little bit more, 40. So there's a good looking down view, diagonally view on our platform now. Just to give it some color now so we can sort of see the light and how it is, because if we start putting objects on here, we're not going to be able to see them. They won't contrast. So to do that, we just need to create a new material. We're going to call this the floor, and we are going to give it a color of anything that you want really, but I'm just going to go dark green, and then I'm going to drag that onto the platform.